Y'all hear that? Do y'all see that? Well, this is what it's like in our new home.
Except for the dog. I don't know where that dog is. but
That's kind of annoying.
yeah, but I mean, look at that. You can't see anything. There is no street lights. Nothing but serenity.
And possibly the boogeyman. I'm just kidding.
Better watch out for the Latino engineer, though.
All right, so now that we're done with the move, we are at Walmart getting some things that we need. We need a microwave. I need to get a ton of contact paper for the kitchen because the one that it has is peeling and it's kind of gross and grimy, so I don't want to put any of my stuff in my cabinets until I find the right contact paper to like line all of the shelves and cabinets. So I'm here at Walmart trying to figure out which one I want to get. And I'm gonna get like 5 rolls of them. So anywhere I need contact paper, I am just gonna have it at home and I am gonna put it down. So let's see what they got. So they have a pretty good selection. I think I'm gonna try to go for something neutral that kind of works everywhere. That way, it doesn't matter where I get it or need it, I can actually put some down. Oh, this is pretty. This is nice. They also have this pretty trellis one. Let me see which one would work best. So we ended up deciding on this Hamilton Beach stainless steel front microwave. I think it'll work. It's not as big as our last one, but we won't need one that big. And then I ended up deciding on 2 different ones. I think I'm going to put these ones on the bottoms of the cabinets because right now they're pretty dark on the inside and I probably won't be able to take all of the dark contact paper off, so I didn't want it shining through a lighter one, so I picked this one for the bottom cabinets. Eventually we will tear those down, but for now this will have to do. And then I think I might go ahead and put these on the uppers if these aren't enough. I did get about 5 rolls of these and I got 3 rolls of these at 15 feet lengths. I think that'll be enough. So we got back from Walmart, and as you can see, the kitchen behind me is a hot mess. Got stuff everywhere. And of course, my husband had a little bit of partying last night. We were so excited to be finally done with the move yesterday. And it was funny because you think we would have been partying or whatever, but we were so exhausted. We passed out. And today I'll be trying to put all this stuff in the cabinets. But again, like I was telling you guys, it's pretty bad in some of these areas with the contact paper that they had previously. And I'll be ripping some of it out or most of it out or all of it out, depending on where it is. And I'm replacing it with one that I bought just now. Now, eventually, these bottom cabinets, these are gonna be replaced. So I'm not too worried about them looking perfect right now. These we will most likely keep and reface them and repaint them because these are actually still in pretty good condition, but these are pretty bad. And I just don't want to put anything in there until I have contact paper down. So that's what I'll be working on today. First, I got to put away some of these groceries that we bought. We just bought like the essentials just to have some stuff on hand because we didn't have much food. If you're trying to do bunny ears, they're like, you need 2 of them. Anyways, so that's what I'm gonna be doing now.
This has all been brought to you by the Latino engineer. You got anything to say, Poppy? Step over here.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. It's hi.
Latino engineering training. Little one.
Boom!
I was able to get a few things set up in the kitchen after I placed all of the contact paper down. I feel so much better about having all of my things inside these cabinets. I was able to set up a few things. I got my spices right here to the left of the stove, and I've got plates, and I've started, you know, just kind of putting things where they need to go. We got a new microwave. My hubby took it out of the box yesterday and we set it up there. It's not as big as our old one, but it's okay because I just need it for reheating, you know, small stuff. And it works perfect right there. I have my toaster oven and then my knives and my cooking utensils. And then over here I decided to put all of my like rice and oats and coffee and stuff. I need to buy more rice, obviously. And then here is the other little toaster that I usually use. I have the cord right there because for some reason I can't get the plug to go into that outlet for whatever reason. So my husband's gonna have to change that outlet so that I don't have that cord over those little canisters. And yeah, so I did that. And as you can see, I still have like a trash bag there from when I was laying out all of the contact paper. And I have little bins to go up the stairs. At least my table is nice and cleared off now, and we have a place to eat. And we have this little, my husband's coffee bar over there. My coffee machine is right over here. And I think I'm going to keep it that way. We never actually put them together in the old house either. But I think this will work just fine right here for me as well. So yeah, I finally cleared everything and we're going to have our first family cooked dinner here tonight. Oh, what happened? Oh no, injured outside. What happened?
There's sand in my eye.
Uh-oh, okay, let's find out what's going on. So I hope you guys enjoyed the behind the scenes and us setting up our kitchen and having our first meal. We ended up having homemade biscuits with spaghetti. So I will see you guys in the next video. I have lots more behind the scenes and some projects to share. So I will see you guys very soon. Until then, adios.